that bowl. Pastrami! Bow!
Take one, Mark.
Oh, basic. Oh, too bougie. Oh, shoulder work. Basic. Oh, switch it up now. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Wind it up, Tim. Take it low, Tim. But take it lower, Tim. But bring it up, Tim. Boom. Up, Tim. Boom. Up, Tim. Up. You got soul. You got soul.
Basic to bougie, we try 3 different versions of 2 different foods and try to determine which is the cheapest, middlest, and most expensive.
Boom.
And you know what? While we're on that journey, sometimes we find out some truths.
What's the truth?
That the most basic food can be bougie.
Or that the most bougie food can be basic. Can we really put in some effort to get one right today? Because we have been wrong almost all season.
It hasn't been a good season for
At
getting
all.
things right.
At all.
Yeah. All right, I think we can do it.
Yeah, let's do it. What should we call him today?
Chanterelle!
Just go in? Oops. Sandwich. Oh, you gotta go inside. Here we go.
Go inside? Oh, wait, what is this?
Is it ham?
Nah.
Oh, it don't smell good, Tim.
It smells like sour. Egg salad? I like egg salad sandwiches.
Okay. You think they're gonna bring us some healthy?
Definitely.
Excellent.
Excellent. You ain't yoking around.
Ain't about to crack this open.
Let's just get this done so we don't overeat.
Over easy! Hey, but let's just eat so it's not over easy. So listen, I like eggs.
Do you like egg salad sandwiches?
I do. It makes you poop though. I'm talking about dangerously gas. Like you ever poop it by yourself and be like, that's me?
Like, I can't believe I did that.
All right, we'll get a lettuce wrap out of the way. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't eat no lettuce wrap, nothing.
Really? I do it. I'm trying to cut carbs. I'm from LA, dog. I'm sorry. I gotta do it.
If I was gonna jump on the lettuce wrap, what you wanna do is open that up, right? Get you a nice little tuck, you know what I'm saying? And what you wanna do is spread your egg salad evenly across the wrap. And what you wanna do is take this tuck, tuck that in.
I got you.
Flip it over, lick it.
Lick it. Okay.
See that? See how that's sealed?
Now what?
We eat it. Bland as
I tell you what, man. I would not like a lettuce wrapped egg salad. I don't even know when the base comes in anymore.
Bruh, this is not it.
I need some bread because it's so mushy.
Oh, you need bread now?
Yes.
Not Mr. LA Carb Cutter.
I was trying to tell you before you based me. It's so mushy, I would need some bread with this.
So you ate without me? This does look good, I'm not gonna lie. They got peppers in there. Ooh, is this sourdough bread? Oh, what's that kind of cheese called? Palmetto cheese. Palmetto? Never mind. Oh, we got the whole egg.
Yeah, big old chunk.
Yeah.
I like the celery in there. Ooh, it's a little spicy.
That's the pimento cheese.
I don't even think there's cheese in here.
That's pimento cheese,
There's
bro.
no cheese in here.
Bro, that's cheese.
Ain't no cheese.
Bro, that's pimento cheese.
Sure.
All right, let's get this. Oh, this is toasted.
What's on here? Uh-oh. Gorgonzola. The blue cheese, the sticky cheese.
Don't that look like molded cheese? Would you eat that?
It pretty much is.
It. There's so much going on this sandwich.
The dill is a little much.
Oh, the deal took over.
Hey, what's the deal with this? You know what I'm saying?
Caught in a pickle.
Yeah. I think I would like this more if it wasn't all that dill.
There's just a lot going on.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, here's the thing. Whenever you say something's not as good or a lot going on, that's usually when you stop.
Not me.
Not you.
We're trying to figure this out.
Yeah, we did.
You know what I'm saying? It's like when you don't understand what's going on in the relationship, something's going wrong, so you try to communicate with it a little more.
So you biting is communicating.
Communicate, I'm talking to this right now. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, baby. What you got going on in here, huh? What's the problem? Talk to me.
Has it said anything back yet?
Yeah, talking too loud. The deal.
You ready to rank, man?
This gotta be the cheapest.
I feel like the lettuce is the most expensive because of the healthiest stuff.
No.
Right?
It's literally just lettuce.
I agree.
Yeah.
But I mean, I also know that the lettuce wrap thing wave seems to be expensive when you be out in LA.
I'm gonna go cheapest.
All right, I'm going with this with the middle.
With the palmetto cheese.
When we get this card, this thing say palmetto cheese. You're not gonna be able to tell me bro. Maybe I'm saying it wrong, but it's a cheese to start with P.
All right, all right.
Middle.
Middle?
You think the one with the goat cheese is the most expensive?
It could be.
All right, here we go.
Cheapest?
Cheapest.
Middleest.
Middleest.
Most expensive.
Excellent.
Chanterelle!
Tim, now, why are you bouncing?
I'm excited.
All right, man.
Come on, dog.
All right, cheapest, egg salad and lettuce wrap, $8.
Okay.
Huh? Some garnish, mayonnaise base from a basic deli.
Okay.
Middleest, buffalo egg salad. Packs more punch than your standard egg salad, hot blue cheese, hot sauce, and herbs mixed in from a sandwich shop. $12, bro.
That's on you.
Zesty egg salad, Japanese style? Tim, you supposed to know that.
You said palmetto cheese. Palmetto cheese isn't Japanese.
It says it on here, Japanese style served with house-made milk bread, palmetto cheese, hard-boiled, soft-boiled from an upscale coffee house.
Damn. Ain't no cheese in there.
It is, palmetto cheese. Let's do the bougie round.
Bougie round.
Bourgeois. How your mama been doing, man?
So good.
Good? Family straight?
Yeah.
How your kids? Almost got them. What is it? Is that you? Tim.
Tim, what is this? Oh,
Bougie?
smells amazing.
Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I by the smell. Pastrami.
Oh.
Boom, pastrami.
Delicious.
Bow!
Oh my gosh. Well, this looks great.
Okay, I'm liking it.
They went to my peoples. Got the
Yeah, man.
pastrami egg roll.
Yeah.
Got some pastrami fried rice, it's looking like.
I love fried rice.
Pastrami sandwich.
They gotta put a little pressure on that, close that up a
Yeah,
little bit.
yeah.
That's too, that's
Classic.
too.
My mouth doesn't open that way.
What do you know about pastrami?
Sure. I know it's cooked really slow, low and slow for a long time.
Where you wanna go, bro? A lot of coleslaw and lettuce on that.
You know what? I don't like coleslaw unless it's on a salty ass, meaty ass
I
sandwich.
don't like coleslaw at all.
Ever?
I mean, was it lettuce and mayonnaise? Ain't that all it is?
A little sour too.
Oh, I'm good, bro.
Cheers.
Okay.
Yeah. We're celebrating.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's delicious.
How much came out? Jesus. It won't stop.
That's great.
For sure, you're right on. Come on now. Now that's a sandwich. It's layered, it's thick. The coleslaw is not even bothering me.
I told you.
The meat flavor is overriding the coleslaw.
It's just a nice little compliment on
Come on now. Damn, that's good.
Oh, it's tender. Oh, I like the fatty pieces.
Oh, you about to get the back bite?
Now eat the booty. Turn it around. Eat the butt.
Let's jump into the fried rice. Ooh, pastrami fried rice? I have never heard of that, bro.
I've never done that either.
Really?
Oh, the turn tap.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Tasty.
This? Sandwich.
This is the
For sure, right on. You hear me? Tap bowls. My boy. I almost called you my
100%. This might be one of my favorite things we've had on the show.
of all time.
Oh, damn.
But it's not gonna pass ribs, though. Ribs! Let's do it. Egg roll.
Think. Yeah, me too.
Bussin'.
Super bussin'.
Let me tell you something right now.
Smacking.
Who don't like a good egg roll?
Who don't like a good egg roll?
I never thought that I would be into pastrami game like I am today.
You are a pastrami man.
I'm a P-man. Pastrami!
Pastrami.
Now that I like. Oh man, you ready to write? Fried rice usually isn't that expensive.
That's what I'm saying, neither are egg rolls. But that's the thing when I feel like people remix stuff, they try to make it more expensive. But also, this is from a famous sandwich spot, so it might be kind of expensive.
Don't you know of?
Yeah, Schmatt's Deli. It's out here in New York.
I'm stepping in this time.
You do it, please do.
That's what
man.
So I'm thinking sandwich is probably the most expensive.
Trust your gut, trust your
Boom.
tummy, trust your tummy.
Most expensive.
Okay,
Middleest.
Okay.
Cheapest.
okay.
Chanterelle.
Oh
Morel.
my God, coming in at the cheapest, pastrami egg roll, $10 from a dim sum restaurant.
Dim sum.
Hey girl, come home with me, you get all that
And dim sum.
Second place, pastrami fried rice, $15. Probably not available at your favorite takeout spot. Pastrami mixed in with fried rice and vegetables from an Asian fusion restaurant. You mix these up, that's what it is. And $23, pastrami sandwich. Hand carved to order, served with coleslaw and a pickle. Meat is pickled for 3 weeks, then slow smoked for 3 days from a deli institution. You got that one right. All right, we'll get the next one, dog. Next episode, we're gonna kill it.
We don't deserve this, man.
Oh, that was all you though.
I mean, but majority of the time it's always you.
What?
Literally.
No.
Literally, roll the tape back and look how many times you're wrong.
Don't bring it back. Whatever. Thanks for watching Basic Bougie. I'm DeLaGhetto.
Oh man, I'm Darren, Big Baby Brandon. We lost.
Yeah.
But I do like pastrami. You should try it too.
P-Man.